Adriana. I'm the CEO of Free Collections, and this is the pivot we've designed on top of the existing startup we already launched, Garderoba Infinita. Our vision with Free Collections is to, just a moment, it's not working the clicker. I don't know why. That is weird. No. Okay.
Not to worry. Carry on. Or,
Okay. So our vision is to provide women with real-time matching score between the items they want to purchase online and their body shape, preferred color, and style. Now, some valid question from your side would be why this and why now? And to have the same background with all of you, I have to mention that from the entire amount of purchases made within the fashion industry here in Romania, only 10% are made in e-shops, which means that 90% are made in brick and mortar shops. So it looks like for women it's a bit hard to shop online without knowing if the items they want to purchase fit their body shape and style. Another valid question from your side would be, how hard it is for women to shop online. Well, we rely on numbers, and they say that 25% rate it is for e-commerce, while the merely 8% it is for offline stores, which means that the problem is really popular. Take into account millions of users, and you will see that it is really popular. Apart from popular, it is a growing problem because COVID-19 made the offline buyers shift online, and that it is a trend to stay with us. Also, the problem is frequent because women spend towards 400 hours per year in average just for shopping. That will make for 2 weeks from a year when you can spend your time with your family, your friends, reading a book, or just traveling. Enough with the problem. Let's share the solution. As we are aiming for global consumers, we are considering that AI-driven personal stylist must be the norm. And it will provide women with real-time styling tips and also the matching score I've mentioned before. We shipped the landing page at the beginning of August, and the entire concept is based on the last year of offline and online. It is somehow a clicks and mortar, how to reframe the phrase. We were interacting with our customers, and I was day by day there, and I have a lot of insights. Also, this solution is designed to take into account 1,000 user prospects and in the same period of time to generate revenue. More details within the next slides. So how it works, this magic? Now you're jumping on the landing page. You are just enable us to collect your data, which is about your email, your preferred style, favorite colors, height, and weight. And after that, we will do the magic. In case you're not familiar with all the styles we listed there, we have some descriptions. Right now, you can see just two of them, the classic and the sporty. So after that, what we will deliver you is a sample of 3 items. What you can see here are 3 of them, and they have in common the smart casual style and yellow. Each of these items can be purchased online from our platform, and for each purchase, we are commissioning from 5 to 10% the e-shops through an affiliate program. Okay. In terms of traction, from August to September, our goal is to have on our waitlist at least 1,000 users. I am right now in the middle of a Y Combinator build sprint, which will end toward the end of September. And this is the goal right there. So I'm really committed to reach it. And the customer acquisition cost is 1.3 euros. And you can consider here only the performance costs. And I have to acknowledge the fact that we were targeting Romania, Bulgaria, and also another countries because we wanted to see if there is any interest from women out of the country. Great. Team. So this is me. I am the CEO. I have 10 years experience in e-commerce, working for 2 different big players from the industry. One is Fashion Days and the other one is Okazi. also, we have the CTO, CMO, and the stylist. So we are in a full operational staff. And I would like to also mention the advisory board, which implies the first member as being Andrei Pitish, who was the angel investor of Garderoba Infinita 1 year ago. And he also committed to make another round of investment with Indri Collections. For product advisor is Valentin Radu. He is the CEO and the founder of OmniConvert. And for industry, the advisor Cristian Ducu. He was one of the founders of Fashion Days back in the days.
Now, Adriana, this was it.
Yeah, thank you.
You'll have another 5 minutes, and I'm sure you'll catch up with what you were left. Let's see all the jury members as well and see who wants to jump in first with some questions. Congrats for what you've shared with us. We have Dragos. Who else do we have? We have Sorin. Let's start off with Sorin and then switch to Dragos. Sorin, could you please go next?
Yes, my question is related, because I didn't really get the connection between the problem that you stated. So the idea that women cannot try on their outfits, and the solution that you provided, which were those mood boards. So how can you estimate if the product will fit based on just weight and height?
Yeah. Thank you for your question. So the solution is based on a small data I've identified within the last year. So a huge part of the women who came in the brick and mortar store issue something which is related to trust. They always need a second opinion, and they come with a friend, husband, a sister. They share their look from the tries with their friends online. So it is a trust issue. So what we are doing with our online AI-driven personal assistant is to identify the relevance between the items they want to purchase and their data. So the main data, which is not collected right now in any other e-shop, is the body shape. The body shape, it's something women, to be honest, cannot be aware of pretty well. But that is a set of information only stylists work with. In terms of fitting the body shape with the rest of items, it is really just some data that will be put in place on an algorithmic base and will allow us to reach the level of relevance quite high.
So you don't have that algorithm right now, correct?
No, I am. It is work in progress right now. We have two different discussions with a data scientist, which is one of the most respected one within the e-commerce in Romania, and we are going for these two different options. And to be honest, I would wait a bit in order to identify which are the highest expectation customers we already have on board on our waiting list, in order to identify which is their main problem, because each different direction we have hits different problems. So we would just want to see which is the most frequent problem, women which are most interested in our product. And after that, we will go developing the algorithm. But I would say that that is not an issue because we already have on board this data scientist.
Great. Let's hear out. Thanking again to Sorin. We had Dragos and we have Andrea. Did I get it right, Andrea? Okay, cool. So let's do this. We're halfway through the Q&A session, so speed up.
Oh, Adriana. Hi, Adriana. So first of all, how much you want to raise and at what valuation?
So we are right now in the phase of getting the traction and product market fit. And immediately after that, we would most probably go for an ask that is around 400 euros as an evaluation at 2 million.
For 100,000 million
yeah.
euros. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the monthly recurring revenue in this moment? So the best months that you have, MRRs?
So we've launched, we shipped the landing page in August. There is only one. Yeah, it is only 1 month, and I don't think it is some information you can rely on. But if it helps, yeah, I can share which are the numbers for Garderoba Infinita, which is the existing startup we have, and for that we have a track of record for 1 year already. And with Garderoba Infinita, we have generated in 1 year 100 euros, and we were selling almost 3,000 items.
100,000 euros.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
A question from Andrea, and please a short question with a short answer because we are less than 1 minute. Now it's seconds away. Go.
I will try. So Adriana, you mentioned trust as being an important factor for women when choosing their clothes. You know that using artificial intelligence, and in order to build this trust, you need an enormous amount of data in order to use the machine learning. Have you discussed with your data scientists how long it will take to gather that data and also to teach in order for the machine learning to work and to build this trust? Because I think it's your most valuable, let's say, product, the trust.
Yeah.
Please keep it short, Adriana, because we are already
short. Yeah? 1 year at least.
Okay.
1 year at least.
All right. Thanks, Adriana. Thanks
Thank
all
you
for the questions.